Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. How you doing? Great weekend. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday, July the 27th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this regular Sudoku. And this Sudoku will be number 1, 2, 3. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, oh. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers in the puzzle so you can compare with the extra Sudokus in the additional with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. And the 1 star has 27 printed numbers. How many in this puzzle? Let me count. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, plus 4 is 11, plus 5 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 24, 28. Wow, 28. Normally, it's 26. So let me check again. We have here 6, plus 4 is 10, 11, plus 5 is 16, plus 4 is 20, 24, 28. Yes, 28. So it's easier than the 1 star. The 1 star has 27. Alright, so let's get started. We see here a middle column and 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And then alright. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let me check with another number. 3 in this row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see here also a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And then 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 9, and the 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 here, so no 1 and a 9 in this box. One digit left should be the 8. Here we have the 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. I have marked these boxes for you so it's easier to follow. How about these two numbers in the last row, the 6 and the 7? We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this row, the 1 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8 are missing here. Let me mark them for you. 5 and 8. Then 2, 1, 7, 9, 9. All right. 4, 5. How about the number? The number 2, 7. Now we have a difficult part in this Sudoku. These 4 numbers. Let me see. Which number? 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. And look, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here a 6, no 6 there. Here a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then Yeah. Let me think. Yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row between. The only two places for the 6 would be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Yes. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. 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 Here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this row. For the numbers 4 and 8, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column, the second column, for the number 5. And then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then alright. Let me see. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Now I have an 8 here, so no 8 in this box. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the 3rd row, 1 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Now I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. And then 3, 5. Then 2 boxes left in this row, the 8 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes in there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the 2nd row, so the 3rd row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the 3rd row, so in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the 3rd row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 1 number left in the 3rd column for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the 1st row, so in the row between the 2nd row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Yeah. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, you can also give me a thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you want, only if you like, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Again, thank you. Again, thank you. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the additional with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.